I'm gonna see y'all at the mall. Okay, bye. Okay, so I got home. I went out for one thing. Did not get one thing. I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of everything I got from Sephora. I got this Sol de Janeiro 40. I got this Elf setting spray. Okay, and then I went to Lefties. I bought a pair of these linen pants. And then lastly I went to Max and I bought a few things actually. First I bought this not plain, it has like this really cute like design on its sleeves, and it's like plain white. It's a long sleeve color thing. I'll figure out the color, I'll make it work, but it's for Thursday's event that I have. And I also bought this simple green shirt. I also got these black jeans. They're like straight leg because I didn't have any and I was like I should probably get some, so I got some black jeans, and this is also part of what I'm wearing on Thursday. That's it for today. I'm really tired and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all! Why do you go awkward on camera every single time? Guys, this is Jenna. She only becomes silent when the camera's on. Otherwise, she doesn't stop talking.
Hello vlog!
What's
hey,
up
YouTube? What's up YouTube? I have 6 vlogs on my camera of Amara just doing that. Like, she just takes it,
Amara will be in the middle of it. Oh, okay, hey guys.
Last day-ish. I finished last week, but like, wow, last day!
It was my actual last day, and I showed up to one class. Guys, hello to your barbecue. Yeah. Hey, buddy, can I pet you or are you gonna kill me? He's a lady. Fight! No. Oh my God, what's wrong with his horns? Watch me shoot something. Guys, she's a pro at basketball. Yeah. No joke, she's actually really good. She's just like off her game recently.
How do you know I'm really good? Okay, the first one. I still have infinite aura. Like. That's it.
Oh, that's good.
Boo! Cut that out, cut that out.
You know Rush is coming.
Oh,
Ladies!
Oh. what he's doing. He's been suspicious.
I got some food for you.
Okay. You don't have horns, my man. I don't know why you're trying to scare me. Your horns are cut off. Which is low-key like animal. Oh, he can definitely jump, girl.
There's a big one. They're kitties! They're little kitties!
You haven't seen the best one. Where's the baby?
He's so cute. Oh my god.
Can you bring one here to my face? Sure, which one? How come you guys got in?
What's the more? Hey, I got the same one. It's
something darkish.
I don't know if that one has it. Yeah.
Okay.
Fire. Sign
yes,
it. Sign it. Like
yes,
signature.
yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because mine's the coolest shirt. I know, Iman. I know.
To get famous?
In case, yeah.